Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shreen. Today I'm going to be speaking of the importance of neck rejuvenation. Over these years, I've been seeing a lot of customers coming for face concerns. However, very few are actually caring about their neck, when neck is actually our second face and it shows signs of aging quickly. We have products such as latest technology, hybrid technology skin boosters which can improve the hydration and also cause lifting and tightening over the neck region. We also customize this with energy-based devices which are non-invasive with no downtime. We at Glojas have a variety of non-invasive treatments to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles that have been haunting you all these years. So what are you waiting for? Do visit us at Glojas for us to customize the most appropriate treatment for your neck. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.